Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to learn about move command, how we can use the move command in Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my GXWorks2 software, and here we will take one input address x0 and one counter we will make to use with the move command. For example, C0 I will take and value I will give, for example, K10. And here if you like to reset this counter, so you can use this one C0, C0. mm, You can use this one RST C0, RST C0. But here you have to be put some another contact, for example, mm, any contact you can put here. For example, x2 I will choose, no problem. X2 we can choose this manual reset for this one, and here we will choose this move command. Directly if we like to use this one C0, just write the move and C0 in any data register you can choose. For example, D0 I will choose, so you can write the D0 and click enter. And after this value, which value will becomes at the C0, that C0 continue moves in the D0 data register. And after this D0 data register you can use in the next program. So we will compile this program and just one thing, one mistake he, because of why not this is compile error coming, because of we not put any bit, for example any contact for this one move command. For example, internal memory M0 I will choose, and I will choose the close contact. After this will be continuously runs, because directly you can't use this move command. And compile now, and now you can go to the start stop simulation and close this one. And now I give the signal at the x0, modify the value, and as I give the signals you can see here is the C key 0 counts the one value, and here you can see this the C0 continue moves in the D0, and as you give the again signal after which value will be stored at the C0, this is also continuously move to the D0. You can see this value continuously you can see at the D0. D0 basically is the data register which is can used for any data set point or something, or look like to be numeric or any like to be display which we see at the HMI. So for this purpose this data registers are have to be used. Inshallah will be next videos I will explain you how many kinds of the data registers and how we can use in the PLC. And that D0 you can see as I gives the value and it's continuously move to the next in the D0, and as your value now come at the D0 C010, which is we put after C0, after we not put any make it here, we can make it here any other contact after which you can rise, or now you can make the, as you make it the signal at x0, your counter C0 will be reset. And one more thing, how you can use this data register in the next program. This also small program I will make for you. Go to the debug and start stop simulation, and in edit mode you can go in the ladder right mode, and here you can make, for example, M0 or M1. For example, this one, click this one, sorry, again I will click, and this close contact we will use. And here we can use this D0. Sorry, first you have to be right also. This move or compare any command which you like to be used in the program. That's depend on your own logic. But this video is only just for the data registers, how we can move. That's we will focus on this program. Move, for example, move D0 into D10. D0 into D10, and now you can see this compile and again start stop simulation and close this one, and you can modify the value, and you can see now this D0 also continuously move this D0 data into the D10. Again I give the signal, you can see this data continuously move to the next data register. First we are using for D0, and now it's moving in the D10, right? As you can see, as this is and can be any sensor or what, where you like to be put the increment at your counter, and that's value you can be move in any data register. How many times you like to be move this data, this C0, example in D0 after D10, D20, D30, D40, how many times if you like to be moved, also you can move. Also you can make this compare this data, will be next video. I will show you how we can use the compare command. And see this one, again I give the data. Now you can see, and also this you can see when this data start stop simulation here, you can use it here. This is CMP compare, no not sorry, compare equal command. If you like to be use this one, LD equal with equal D0 K10. No, not sorry, look like this, not we can't use this one. First we have to be go in edit mode, this I forget, must be put in right mode, after you can make. This is LD when equal D0 K10 K10 after RST C0, and this program you will compile first, and after again make start stop simulation and close this one. And now again I give the signal at the modify value, gives the signal continuously, and after you can see when this one 4 5 6 7 8 9, and one more signal when you give after your C0 when equal with 10 value, after your C0 will be automatically reset. So this way you can use this move command in anywhere with the help of counter, with the help of compare commands. This you can use in the program, and when you're using this move command in the program, you will be use your own method, own logic. Hope guys you will be understand about this move command, how we can choose in the Mitsubishi PLC move command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.